Are you looking for a water storage tank? Steel Core Tank is the premier manufacturer of bolted corrugated steel tanks. With tanks ranging in size from 600 to 3 million gallons, we have hundreds of models to choose from. Our steel is sourced right here in the United States, and we use skilled American labor for our US-based manufacturing. Each of our bolted corrugated steel tanks is site-specifically engineered to meet structural codes and standards. By manufacturing with G115 and G140 galvanization and interior lining systems instead of standard coatings, Steel Core tanks have a long lifespan. We can custom powder coat your corrugated steel tanks for additional protection or aesthetic appeal. Alongside our bolted corrugated steel tanks, we are proud to offer the largest variety of flexible liner systems in the industry, including NSF 61 and EPA-approved liners. The attention to detail and longevity of our tanks sets us apart from the rest. Our world-class tanks are sold through a dealer network that is second to none and represents the most experienced water professionals in the industry. Call us at 844-225-0881 or visit steelcoretank.com to talk to your tank experts. Find a dealer near you or download a brochure.